Alright, so you guys want to see a walk around of the 212 bike. Lots to cover. Guess we'll start from the bottom up. Wheel set is from James at Ghetto Bike down in Florida. Or maybe over in Cali. I think he's over in Cali. But custom milled hubs, everything is all aluminum. 12 gauge spokes. These are just spoke wraps. Nice heavy duty billet aluminum chain tensioner. Nice heavy duty bolts for your sprocket. Interesting brake design. You see the rotor, there's 6 set screws that are set into this hub, and the rotors, wow, that's dirty, is sandwiched on there between the freewheel, and then your brake arm bolts on here. Alright, did a little custom fender here. This is actually the front fender off of a dirt bike. I can't remember what kind, but I just used some clamps that you would use to secure a rear rack normally for a bike. Just bent some aluminum stock I had for that, and then it's mounted down here with a water bottle cage holder. For the seat, I'll get to the lights. Seat's just some, plain old spring seat off eBay or Amazon. Vinyl, not leather. Solid steel laid back seat post. That goes all the way down, straight to the bottom of the frame to reinforce. This is a custom mount made by a gentleman down in Florida. Jack shaft hangers, all built right into one setup here. And then I got this extended bottom bracket here, sealed bearings, bottom bracket, spindle, sprocket, and the sprocket holder came from MV Rebel. And these sprockets, crank arms here are for a Bafang e-bike. Then I just got this eBay muffler on here. Nice clean flowing muffler, no restrictions, with the 2-stage Ghetto Bike header. You can see the difference in diameter as it goes down. And got the custom back swept intake from Ghetto Bike as well. This is tapped here for my the pulse line to run my fuel pump off of. Then we got a NR Racing billet valve cover, the PCV valve to keep your pressure right for the vent breather, going over to the oil catch can here. I would normally have about to get a thunderstorm. Normally there'd be a TM24, a Mikuni TM24 on here, but I had to rob that to run my 2-stroke bike. Check that beauty out. She'll be in another video soon. Lens is all dirty. Alright, moving on. The 3D Motorsport manual clutch. Discontinued, unfortunately, but this is an amazing clutch. If you ever have the chance to get your hands on one, buy it. RLV gold extreme 35 chain, 41 to the rear. There's my blinker flasher relay. Some sloppy wiring here going back to my tail light. A little horn up here, down tube fender, and then you move up front here. I got this is the, again, Ghetto Bike wheel from James at Ghetto Bike. Nice heavy duty milled aluminum hubs, sealed bearings. And this is the TRP. I can't remember what these were. E23 rotors, E2.3 millimeter thick rotor with the pit bike hydraulic brake caliper. And here, this is your clutch lever, rear brake, headlight, horn, blinkers, full blinkers, front and rear. I got my battery stashed away in here. 20,000 milliamp lithium battery. Blinkers, horn, and you can see here's my tail light. I don't know if I'll be able to reach that lever from back here, but working brake light. Got your blinkers front and rear, and I have a pit bike brake lever up here, so I have a built-in brake switch. And just your basic throttle, your stickers, Mother's Best Motorized Bikes. Check us out on Facebook, dudes. And then the front end here, these are pit bike forks, again, from Ghetto Bike. James at Ghetto Bike, again, shout out. Great dude. Yeah, I wish I could fire it up for you right now, but like I said, my carb is on this bike. But I will begin making more videos soon. I got a TM24 on the way for this. Alright, keep it twisted, dudes.